Hello, my name is Steve, and today I am here to perform a science experiment on the topic of matter. Is a pitcher, baking powder or baking soda, some vinegar, a lighter, and a few candles. Firstly, pour the vinegar inside the pitcher. Then next, add the solid baking soda. Then you will see as it bubbles up. Next, light up the candles while you wait for it to settle down. Now take the pitcher and slowly pass it over the candles and watch as it blows out. Why did this happen? We all know that to produce fire we need oxygen, fuel, and heat. Removing any of these components will put out the fire. So in my experiment, the bubbles generated, which is CO2, cuts out the oxygen, in turn putting out the fire. Let's look into the science behind this transformation. The liquid vinegar and the solid baking soda combines to produce carbon dioxide, the gas used in fire extinguishers. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. Bye!